Please observe your local safety regulations. Tools needed to install hatch are circular saw with 9-inch blade, drill with drill bit and hole saw, grinder and sander. Saw blade, drill bit, and hole saw need to be diamond or carbide tipped. Use hatch installation drawing to measure and mark hatch opening on cover panel. Use a square to mark the opening. Use a drill with a 3/4 inch to 1 inch hole saw and drill holes at 4 corners of the marked up hatch opening. Use a circular saw with a 9-inch diamond coated blade to cut the hatch opening. Place the molded hatch frame around the hatch opening and use the clamps to secure it. Use a drill bit with a 1/2 inch carbide tip drill bit and drill holes using the hatch frame as a template. Use the 3/8 inch by 4.5 inch bolts to secure the hatch frame. Do not add the nuts at this point. Once hatch frame is secured, remove the clamps. Put the 6-inch by 6-inch angle with pre-drilled holes around the hatch frame and underneath the cover panel. Secure the angle to the hatch frame using the 3/8 inch by 1.5 inch bolts. Use the 3/8 inch by 4.5 inch bolts to secure the angle to the cover panel. Tighten all bolts to secure hatch frame to cover panel. Put 3/8 inch by 2 inch bolt on the 3 inch by 3 inch angle and use the 3/8 inch serrated nut to secure the bolt. Put 2 3/8 inch nuts and a washer on the bolt. Attach the 3 inch by 3 inch angles to the molded hatch cover using a 3/8 inch bolt, washer, and lock washer. Secure the 3 inch by 3 inch angles to the cover panel. Secure the plastic handle to the hatch cover using the 10-32 bolts.